Latest update on COVID 19. Poland has witnessed the largest number of deaths related to COVID 19, specifically Omicron. In the past few days, unfortunately, 800 people have lost their lives to this virus, and not surprisingly, 75% of those who died were unvaccinated. Poland officials have tried their best to convince unvaccinated people to take the vaccines in due time so that they can fight against the virus and remain healthy. However, it seems not all have taken the vaccination program very seriously, and this is the result of unvaccinated people falling prey in the hands of the virus. Every day, Poland is witnessing a hike in the number of daily cases, too. So it's not only the total number of cases that are rising, but daily cases are also seeing a rise. And most of them, as I said, are unvaccinated and still are not convinced to take the shot. My sincere request to anybody watching this video and my other videos, if you have not taken the vaccine, please go and get yourself vaccinated first. Very, very important thing to get done. Get yourself vaccinated, and in case you contract COVID 19 infection, things will work out much smoothly because isolation and hospitalization would be much easier in terms of you remaining healthy and not falling critically ill. People, please try to understand this. This vaccine does not ensure that you will not get the virus. It ensures that even if you get the virus, you are at a healthier state when you are either hospitalized or isolated at home. So even if you get the COVID 19 virus and you are vaccinated, you will recover soon. That's the whole idea of giving the vaccine. So many people are not taking the vaccines and they are falling critically ill. The idea behind the vaccine is that even if you get COVID 19 virus, you will recover and you will not fall critically ill. So please, please, please go ahead and get yourself vaccinated first and take all the safety measures like washing your hands, covering your face with a mask, and go around with your work and your daily routine, and everything will work out to be fine. Vaccination is extremely important. Please do not ignore it. Stay updated with news and updates on my channel, and also let me know in your comments how you feel about the videos and what else you would like to see on my channel. Bye and take care.